Good morning and welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been a minute since I did another video for you guys, so I'm back at it. I got my gang with me. That's Bay, y'all.
We out here.
That's husband, and then everybody else is back there. All four of my children. And you guys, today, I am going to go buy a pergola. Or what is it called? Pergola?
Yeah.
It's not a gazebo?
No.
Well,
You didn't want the gazebo.
I'm going to buy a pergola. I need something for my backyard. I want to sit in my backyard and chill. So I finally convinced my husband to build it for me. So we are on our way to Lowe's so that we can get a pergola. We might as well get to building crap since we still technically quarantining.
Is it pergola or pergola?
I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments below what it is really. Is it pergola or pergola? How'd you say it?
What?
How'd you say it?
Pergola.
Pergola
Or pergola.
or pergola.
I've only seen it written. I've never actually.
I think I say pergola.
I've never heard anybody say it though, like other than me and you. So.
Okay, so how you say it?
Pergola.
Pergola. That's how I
But
say
it could
it.
be pergola.
I say pergola. I don't know what it is. Either way, we're going to buy whatever it is, pergola or pergola. We're going to buy one of those from Lowe's. So we on the way. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Yup. Gotta put my mask on because the era and time that we live now, and making sure we're social distancing, you guys, and staying away from people. So yeah. So we on the way. By the way, if you have not already, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your bell notifications so that way you don't miss any of my new videos. I'm cute or whatever. Today, it's early in the morning, you guys. I'm feeling myself. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Okay, that was extra. I ain't even need to add that in there. But I just heard the song not too long ago and I just wanted to sing it. So yeah, on the way to Lowe's. We'll see you guys when we get there. This is the one right here. Okay, we're out of Lowe's. We purchased the pergola. And now my husband has to come back and pick it up because we're all in the car and it's too darn big. So he's gonna drop us off at home. Here's the receipt, you guys. Can you see? Is it backwards? I don't know. Is it backwards, babe? I think it's backwards. Either way, it was $665.89. And we got a 10% military discount because my husband and myself used to be in the Army. Anyway, somehow or another, my husband is now hungry and wants to get something to eat. So we gotta go get babe something to eat.
It's because you woke me up and tried to put me to work.
I did. And I didn't even feed the man. What type of system is that? Want somebody to do some work for you and you don't even feed them. So I gotta go feed my husband now real quick, get him something to eat, and then He's gonna come back, pick this up. We're gonna get started working on it.
After I eat, I gotta take a nap.
No, it's a no for me. He ain't taking no nap. He gonna eat, come back and get this thing, and then we're gonna get started. All right. So my husband then brought me to the holiest of holy places to eat, y'all. We had Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. And I think we drove all the way to this one by our house, not the one that was by the Lowe's, because I want lunch. Y'all don't like eating breakfast from places. I ain't a breakfast girl. I'm a lunch girl and a dinner girl because I like to eat good. I like to eat good. Chick-fil-A. Babe, how you feel about Chick-fil-A?
It's the finest of restaurants in all the land.
So we about to get some Chick-fil-A.
Good morning. Can I get your name for your order?
Got my Chick-fil-A. Don't you love that Chick-fil-A? Don't you love that Chick-fil-A, baby?
I do.
We got us some Chick-fil-A. So he gonna eat. And then for real this time.
Take a nap.
No. He's going to go pick up my Pergola. I can't say it. Pergola. He's gonna pick up my Pergola. Alrighty. We'll see you guys in a sec. Y'all, I did not know you could take my whole entire middle seat out of the car. My husband had to take it out so that we can get the Pergola in here. And I did not know you could take the whole thing out. Look, he took the whole thing out. The whole front thing right here is gone. And then he laid down my back seats. So hopefully everything will fit in here. Yeah, it's dirty. We need to vacuum a little bit more, but he on the way. All right, you guys, he got it. I'm so excited. Now to get started putting it together. You ready to put it together, baby?
Nope. Not at all. A box in a box. With a box in a box.
It's heavy.
276 pounds.
Ooh. So my husband gonna start pulling these pieces out so we can get this in the backyard. To be continued. All right, y'all. So it was 2 boxes. We got the box 1 off, and now we're left with 2. This is how we did it. My husband came up with this idea. No judging. It works. Come on, babe. He doing most of the heavy lifting. I'm just pulling the lawnmower. By the way, this is the lawnmowers of all lawnmowers. He spent all that money on this darn lawnmower. How much you spent? Like $400. It's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. Hey. When you ain't got no help, you figure it out. So this is how we getting it done. Yeah, I'm trying to record and pull the lawnmower. right, y'all, so it is day 2, and we got the pergola put up yesterday, but we were too tired to keep recording, so we came back today. It is hot out here, so now we are trying to get this furniture set up outside and set a whole vibe out here. I don't want to purchase a rug. I bought some furniture, patio furniture, so it's gonna be a vibe. But in regards to the pergola, it took us how many hours, babe?
6.
It took us 6 hours to do it. Whoosh, that was hot out here. Needed every bit of drinking water out here. Okay, but I did have to ask my friend, my neighbor, to come over and help her. So her and her husband came over. My children are in the background crying. But I did have to ask her to come over and help, because once you started putting the poles up, and I'll show you the poles in a second. Once you start putting the poles up, it's hard to hold all 4 of them up together and still screw and all this and the third. So it was me, my husband, my neighbor, her husband, my oldest daughter. We was all out here, honey. But we got it done, thankfully, and it is up now. So I'll show you the poles that I'm talking about. And then now we're working on the furniture. So these poles here, of course, there's 4 of them, and we couldn't hold them up. There was just no way 2 people could do it, so we had to ask for help. So luckily my friend was home, who lives next door, and her husband came over to help. So let's get it with this furniture.
Don't buy another thing.
I got it by here again. I just bought a rug, y'all. So we about to hook this up. Because I also just bought Hamilton Bay 4-piece set. So we're going to put this up here and set up the ambiance. So we'll get back with y'all in a second. He's trying to scan the QR code to see if the instructions come up. It came with instructions on the box, but it says if you scan the QR code, some instructions should pop up. Is it working, babe?
Nope. You might have to search for it.
That didn't work.
In this procedure, you will assemble the Gableton 4-piece flat pack wicker promo set. To assist you in this procedure, you will need the included M6 Allen wrench. In this procedure, we will assist you in assembling the Gableton love seat.
Alright, so we're making the love seat first. Looks like.
Attach the right arm, A, to the...
Alright, you guys. We are finished with the chairs and the table, and here it is. I gotta get some pillows to go out here, and then we still have not hung up the lights. I'm not sure if we're gonna get to it today or not, but the lights need to be hung up. But this is it. The pergola is up, and the furniture is out. So this is the end of the video, you guys. Thanks so much for hanging with me. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next time, peace. I'm out of here, you guys.